This is actually my first time receiving a PR with my name in it. So ayan, your girl has been receiving free packages already. So what is up you guys, it's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we will be unboxing a PR from Skinworthy PH. So if you guys haven't heard about Skinworthy PH, they're actually a Filipino skincare brand who sells the mildest formulated rejuvenating kit in the market. They actually sent us their PR, which is ito. Nakalagay siya sa bag na ito. And if you open natin yung laman niya, ito yung laman. So, ayan, I really find the box cute because it's very minimalist. It's a white box. And then you have here saying that this package is happy to see you too. In as much as I'm happy to see this package as well. And then, of course, the logo of Skinworthy. And when you open it, what actually the first thing you see inside is... Tada! It's a message for me. So, ayan, basahin natin. Because this is actually my first time receiving a PR with my name in it. So, ayan, your girl has been receiving free packages already. I was just really so happy right now because I get to receive this one. And it has my name in it. So, ayan, basahin na natin. So, dear Maeia, congratulations. You are about to catch the biggest skincare wave from Skinworthy.
You're one of the 15 selected winners who will get to try the Skinworthy Rejuvenating kit for free, and your honest review will be featured and streamed through our social media platforms. Should you be one of the 3 winners with the best video content, you'll have regular paid collaborations with us too. Isn't that exciting? We are also extremely excited for you to try our products and hear about your experience using them.
Love your Skinworthy family. And we are now down sa pinakalaman ng box, which is... Tada! So, ito yung pinakalaman ng box because ito yung kanilang Rejuvenating kit. Ayan. So, what I like about the packaging is that it actually is very minimalist. Peach na minimalist. And at the same time, meron pa din siyang touch of creativity dito sa kanyang packaging, which is nice. And I love it so much because everything you need to know about the product. First is the Skinworthy routine. So, we have here the steps on how to use their rejuvenating kit. We have here the cleanse, tone, protect, and nourish, including where it is manufactured. And at the same time, nandito din yung mga main ingredients ng kanilang mga product here. And of course, ang kanilang precautions or mga safety instructions na kailangan natin i-follow when we use their rejuvenating kit. So, itong Rejuvenating kit from Skinworthy PH is actually retailed for 360 pesos only. And sa 360 pesos mo, you actually get 4 products for their Rejuvenating kit. Ito yung laman niya, ayan. 4 products yan. And isa-isahin natin i-explain itong mga products na ito. So, the first step for the Skinworthy routine is of course to cleanse using itong kanilang Skinworthy Glutagen bar or glutathione and collagen bar. So, dito sa kanyang packaging is ganun pa din, very minimalist. And then you see here, the product is actually 135 grams. And then, nandito din sa likod ng bar, yung steps on how to use it. And at the same time, yung kanyang mga main ingredients and of course, the manufacturer. So, ayan siya. And when you open it, oh my gosh. I love the color so much. It's actually peach. Ayan, and it has the logo of Skinworthy here. Ayan. I don't know if it shows, but yeah. And then dito sa likod is yung kanyang expiry date, which is September 2022. So, ayan. We still have a year to use this one. Scent-wise naman, wait. Buksan natin. Ayan, wait. Oh. Okay, so eto na yung mismong bar. And scent-wise, sobrang mild lang nung amoy niya. Parang mild na amoy ng papaya. So, itong Glutagen bar from Skinworthy actually contains L-glutathione, which helps brighten the skin and at the same time, it improves skin texture. Of course, it also contains collagen, which helps slow down the aging process of your skin. And at the same time, it also improves skin elasticity and hydration. One of the ingredients din itong kanilang Glutagen bar is actually niacinamide, which helps reduce hyperpigmentation and inflammation. Meron din itong kojic acid to help reduce dark spots and lighten the skin. And last but not the least is hyaluronic acid, which actually promotes skin repair and at the same time, it actually smoothens fine lines and wrinkles sa ating face. Step 2 naman ng ating Skinworthy routine is of course to tone using itong kanilang rejuvenating toner. So this one is actually 60 ml, which I think is much na for a toner. So scent-wise, yung amoy niya is actually medyo matapang yung amoy niya compared dun sa bar soap. And consistency niya is actually okay, so liquid consistency siya. Para lang siyang tubig. And the color is colorless. Pero yung amoy niya yung very noticeable because it actually is very, hindi ko ma-explain, pero matapang yung amoy niya for me. So packaging wise, ganun pa din. Peach, and then meron sila nitong parang creative na design. And then, andito pa din yung ingredients and at the same time yung how to use nung product, which is nice. And then yung way of dispensing is actually flip-top cup. Ayan. Which is very convenient. So for the ingredients naman, this actually contains vitamin A, which minimizes fine lines and tightens pores. Meron din pala itong vitamin C or ascorbic acid, which actually helps promote collagen production, and at the same time, it reduces inflammation sa ating skin. Meron din pala siyang vitamin B3, which actually helps reduce hyperpigmentation, and at the same time, nare-regulate ang ating sebum production. Meron din itong vitamin E, which actually rejuvenates dehydrated skin, and at the same time, it also lightens dark spots and neutralizes ang mga free radicals sa ating face or sa ating skin, okay? So yeah, it does a lot. And last but not the least, just like itong kanilang Glutagen bar, is it also contains hyaluronic acid. And ang role ng hyaluronic acid sa ating skin is actually to improve skin repair, and at the same time, para i-soften ang ating mga wrinkles and fine lines. So, ayan, ang step 3 ng ating skin-worthy routine is actually to protect. So, ang gagamitin natin to protect our skin is actually itong kanilang serum cream with SPF 30. So, ang maganda sa mga product with SPF 30 is it actually protects us from harmful UV rays, which is nice. And if ayaw nyong umitim or ayaw nyong magkaroon ng mga uneven skin tone, so it is best to use products with SPF. So packaging wise, ganun pa din, which is naging cute lang siya because meron na siyang touch of white. And one thing I noticed is that dito sa kanilang packaging, meron pa din dito yung ingredients ng product, yung expiry date, and compared dun sa kanilang toner and yung kanilang Glutagen bar is eto, wala siyang instruction on how to use the product. If you're going to open it, the very first thing you see is the cream. Ayan, I hope it shows. So, yung color niya is actually color, ayan, papakita natin. Ayan, color white. Ito siya, and yung consistency niya is cream. Ayan, and scent-wise, it actually smells like perfume. Ayan, amoy flower na. Basta super fresh nung amoy ng kanilang serum cream, which is nice. Lakas maka-fresh yung amoy niya. It actually smells like, you know, flower extract. But I don't think merong flower extract dito sa kanilang ingredients. So yeah. So this one is what you actually use in the morning. Ayan. I don't know if it shows, but yeah, ito yung packaging niya. So, isa sa mga main ingredients nito kanilang serum cream with SPF 30 is actually niacinamide, which is na-mention ko na kanina. Ang role ng niacinamide, it actually reduces hyperpigmentation sa ating skin, and it also reduces inflammation. So, meron din itong zinc oxide. So, ang role ng zinc oxide is it actually works as a sunscreen to prevent sunburn, and at the same time, it also slows down the aging process of your skin. So this one actually contains sodium hyaluronate, which actually is nice because it actually reduces dryness and flaking sa ating skin. And at the same time, it actually does hydration sa ating skin. So isa sa mga main ingredients nitong kanilang serum cream with SPF 30 is actually glycerin. So ang role ng glycerin is it actually softens our skin, it relieves dryness, and at the same time, it actually improves hydration sa ating skin. So like I said earlier, ito yung ginagamit natin for the morning. For the night naman is meron din tayong cream for that, which is itong brightening cream nila. Ayan. The packaging is actually quite the same, except dito sa part na to. Because itong kanilang serum cream with SPF 30 is meron siyang sun dito. Ayan. I hope it shows. Wait. Ayan. And then, eto naman kanilang brightening cream is meron siyang moon dito. So, etong sun dito indicates that it can be or it should be used in the morning. And eto namang moon dito indicates that you should use the product at night. So, since merong 4 na steps ang ating skin-worthy routine, so first is you have to cleanse using their Glutagen bar. Second is you have to tone your skin using their rejuvenating toner. Third is you have to protect your skin using their serum cream with SPF 30. And last but not the least, sa ating skin-worthy routine is to actually nourish our skin. Now, talking about nourishment naman ang ating skin, ang gagamitin natin is itong brightening cream from Skinworthy. Ayan, so packaging-wise, the same lang ng packaging dun sa kanilang serum cream. And ganun pa din, nandito sa product nila yung ingredients, the manufacturer, the logo, the expiry date, and wala dito yung steps on how to use the product. And when you actually open it, what actually shows is this product. Ayan, so the color is actually light green. Parang gel yung color niya. Ayan. Scent-wise naman, this actually smells very tropical. Ayan, and ang pinaka nagsistand out na amoy is yung amoy ng lemon. So, ingredients-wise, wait. Ayan, meron pala talaga siyang lemon. So, yeah, and yung kanyang consistency is just like the other one. It actually takes the form of a cream, which is, ayan, sa ating kamay. So, isa sa main ingredient nitong kanilang brightening cream is actually retinol, which is very, for me, medyo intimidating siya because best, it's retinol. But then again, I realized that retinol can also be very helpful sa ating skin because it actually regulates oiliness sa ating skin, and at the same time, it also minimizes the appearance of breakouts, which is what we're looking for in a skincare product. And it also contains vitamin E, which actually lightens dark spots. Meron din siyang fruit extract, which actually helps, promote healthy cell growth. And as well as vitamin C or ascorbic acid, which actually stimulates collagen production. Meron din siyang glycerin, just like just like nitong kanilang isang cream. So glycerin actually helps relieves dryness, and at the same time, it improves skin texture. So niacinamide is also one of the main ingredients of this product, which actually helps reduces hyperpigmentation, and meron din itong hyaluronic acid, which actually promotes skin repair, which is nice for any skincare product. So all in all, ito na yung mga products na pinadala sa atin ng Skinworthy PH, which is itong kanilang Glutagen bar, itong kanilang rejuvenating toner, and itong dalawang cream, which is yung kanilang serum cream for the morning and itong brightening cream for night use. Ayan. So, 4 na products all in all yung pinadala nila sa atin, and ito yung magiging mga products na gagamitin natin for our rejuvenating journey or for our skin-worthy journey. Anyways, before we end this video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa aking skin-worthy family for sending me the whole rejuvenating set, and I actually felt very loved because it has pa my name in it and the letter itself. So, ayan, thank you to my skin-worthy family! So if you want to purchase this item, the whole rejuvenating kit from Skinworthy PH, I will be linking down below their Instagram page. So ayan, make sure to check the description box. And note ko lang na ang ating application and at the same time ang final verdict natin sa kanilang rejuvenating set will be done in a separate video because ayokong maging masyadong mahaba itong video na ito. And yeah, that is all for today's video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!